Namaste all. This is Swati from Angel 1111 Spiritual Healing and Meditation Center. Let's start the ritual of forgiveness. Close your eyes. Take some few deep breaths and call your angels, archangels, spirit guides. Ask them to help you and protect you during this meditation. Now, put your hands in front of your chest in a Namaste Mudra. Touch your tongue to your palate. And now, visualize a person you like to forgive in front of you. Let's focus on forgiveness first and then ask for forgiveness. Atma Namaste. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, salute the divinity within you. I, the soul, recognize a spiritual being within you. I, the soul, recognize the child of God in front of you. Atma Namaste. I forgive you for the pain and the agony you have caused me mentally, emotionally, or on all levels, whether it is knowingly or unknowingly. Evolution involves time, process, and lots of dumb mistakes. I am learning from my mistakes, so can you. I forgive you. I forgive you. I completely forgive you from the bottom of my heart. Go in peace. Go in peace. Go in peace. May the blessings of God be with me. May the blessings of God be with you. Now raise your hands on blessings position. Project golden white light of divine to this person and visualize his physical body disappearing. All the left is a brilliant white light. End of the day, we salute the soul, not the physical body. Smile at your heart and your crown and project light and love to the person and repeat, I forgive you. I forgive you. I completely forgive you. Go in peace. Go in peace. Go in peace. May the blessings of Supreme God be with me. May the blessings of Supreme God be with you. Go in peace. Go in peace. I release you. I completely release you. Go in peace. Go in peace. Inhale slowly and then exhale. And project brilliant pink and golden light from your heart and your crown chakra. And I forgive myself. Cut, cut, cut. Let us now ask for forgiveness. Sometimes it's the same people we are asking for forgiveness for those who have hurt us, and sometimes it may be somebody different. So again follow the ritual. Close your eyes. Take some few deep breaths. Put your hands in Namaste Mudra. Touch your tongue to your palate and visualize the person you want to ask for forgiveness. Atma Namaste. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, salute the divinity within you, the Atma within you. I, the soul, recognize the spiritual being within you. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, asking for forgiveness. I am asking for the pain and the hurt which I have caused you to be released from you. I am sorry that I hurt you. I am sorry for the pain I caused you. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Evolution involves time, process, and lots of dumb mistakes. I'm learning from my mistakes. If a similar situation arises, I will do the right thing. I'm really sorry that I have hurt you. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. May the light of God be with me. May the light of God be with you. Now, raise your hands in blessing position and bless the person. Visualize the person's physical body disappearing, and all is left is a brilliant white light. End of the day, we salute the soul, not the physical body. Bless this soul with divine light, divine love, and divine peace from your heart and your crown chakra. Thank you for forgiving me. Thank you for forgiving me on all levels. Thank you for releasing me. Thank you for releasing me on all levels. Now, take a deep breath, and I forgive myself. Thank you. May God's blessings be with me. May God's blessings be with you. Thank you. Thanks a lot for forgiving me. Cut, cut, cut. Pay gratitude to your angels, archangels, and spirit guides. You can repeat this process as much as you wish. Lots of love, light, and blessings to all. Thank you for doing this meditation. Thank you.